only also our traditional way is not adequate. Like that. And then what do you want?
Your Holiness, right from childhood, we hear that meditation brings peace of mind. But very few of us or none of us know how to meditate. Can you tell us a simple way how to practice meditation? We would like to learn from you.
I think firstly, you should know the Western psychology when they mentioned about mind, only sensorial level consciousness. So now when we talk meditation, the sixth mind, Chit, when you so firstly, you say, Kasoda, you remain without follow sensorial consciousness. Then you remain more and more time. Then you may feel some kind of empty. Because usually our senses organs very active. Now withdraw that, stop that, and then mind itself. At the beginning, some kind of empty. Then further goes, then gradually you feel some kind of clear, something like mirror, shigusorchi. Clear, pure. Now that should take as an object of meditate. Then you get more sort of experience. Remain on that pureness of mind. Then think about the altruism, much more powerful. Usually our sensorial consciousness very, very active, almost dominant our main mind. So best period is early morning. Early morning, then you deliberately withdraw following sensorial experiences. Then try to remain the main mind. That gradually increase the power of main mind. Then there are two types. Single-pointed meditation, that's shamatha. Then the power of mental energy increasing. Then that use vipassana, analytical meditation. Then analyze, like altruism and the negativeness about anger and negativeness about self-centered attitude, analyze, analytical meditation. That really affect our mind. So real sort of meditation, firstly, try to increase mental power, channelize all energy, single-pointed sort of, because of the energy. Then concentrate. Then think about Vipassana, analytical meditation. The real effect comes from analytical meditation. Vipassana is truly best weapon to affect our mind. That's not only text, my own experience. Now, at least the last 50 years, I seriously thinking this line. So some experience. So I'm telling you, according to my own experience. So very useful. That brings sharpening your mind also automatically. So one sort of funny story. And last year, in East India, once I visited there, some politicians also at that time is visiting there. So then we met, and then we become very close friend. Then one day when we met, he inquired about my sleep as a rest. Then I told him, I always 9 hours sleep, then about 4 hours meditation, sharpening my mind so that I can cheat other people more easily. Then his answer immediately, he only 6 hours sleep, so he cannot cheat other people. So, analytical meditation, really, the real method to transform our negative emotion and increase positive emotion. Result, you become more physically more healthier and mentally more peace, more calm. As I already mentioned, as a result of practice of altruism, then there is nothing negative. Everything appears something positive. That I have that experience. So very helpful. Peace of mind. Okay. Any question?
One. Yes.
My question is that